Samsung is set to host its Galaxy Unpacked event in Paris on July 10, where it is expected to unveil its latest foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. In anticipation of the event, various rumors about these new devices have emerged. Recently, PassionateGeekz released new renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, showcasing the phone in 3 colors: pink, blue, and silver. Following the recent leak of renders for the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Watch Ultra and Watch 7, earlier today, leaker Blass shared a collection of Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 renders on X and through a Substack newsletter. These images provide the most detailed look at the upcoming foldable phones we've seen so far. For the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the new renders reveal a wider aspect ratio for both the inner and outer displays, along with a squarer design. The outer display's bezels appear smaller and the hinge is notably slimmer compared to previous models. The device is shown in silver and a new dark navy blue color. The pink color stands out, giving the phone a soft look despite its tough square design. Additionally, popular tech blogger Ice Universe has revealed that the phone will also come in black and white options. Based on the rumors so far, there may be up to 5 color options for these devices. However, this information is still speculative and should be taken with a grain of salt. Meanwhile, images of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 display Samsung's flip phone in a light blue color, as well as a tinted silver. The silver color resembles the Galaxy S24 Ultra's titanium gray, suggesting that the rumors about the foldable utilizing titanium might be accurate. Recently leaked images of official cases have provided a glimpse of the designs of the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 foldable phones, set to be revealed by Samsung soon. These leaks suggest that the designs won't deviate significantly from their predecessors. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is shown with its characteristic folder-shaped cover screen and dual cameras with an LED flash on the outside. The images also reveal the phone in a silicone case with ring, which aids in its portability and usability. Color variants like navy blue and mint are showcased as well. The Galaxy Z Flip 6, a clamshell-style foldable phone, retains features such as a side-mounted capacitive fingerprint reader, similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It is rumored to come with a 4,000 mAh battery, although it's uncertain if this upgrade will impact its thickness. Moving to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, leaked images show it with a slightly square inner screen, thinner bezels, and sharper corners, reminiscent of the Galaxy S24 Ultra design. Reports suggest it will feature a titanium frame and maintain the same battery capacity as the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The phone also sports a side-mounted fingerprint reader and a triple camera setup on the rear with black concentric rings around the camera sensors and an LED flash. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 cases reveal new updates, including an adjusted aspect ratio and various case options. The clear case showcases the device's design more prominently, while the standing case with strap and slim S Pen case are also featured. The slim S Pen case confirms that the phone won't have an integrated S Pen storage solution. An updated grip case with a clear backplate is introduced, alongside a novel design featuring both a hand grip and a kickstand. Though this design may appear unconventional, it offers practical functionality. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.